the channel, Cat, there's a benefit for the Boys and Girls Club of Santa Barbara. Let's go talk to some of the attendees. What's your name?
Stacy Cooper.
Stacy.
Kristen Gruber.
And
Robin Dayhoff.
We're having a great time. It's a great cause. Boys and Girls Club donated tonight, so just coming to support with girlfriends.
Magda, tell us about this event.
It was so much fun. It benefited the West Side Boys and Girls Club. We're really excited. We have amazing sponsors, amazing friends that really made this happen. It was a true West Side Boys and Girls Club event, our first since I've been there, so I'm really excited.
Congratulations. Thank you so much for putting this together. Tell me all the things you had to do to get it all put together and beautiful.
I grew up in Santa Barbara watching John Palminteri, wanting to be John Palminteri, then I realized I couldn't really swing the facial hair, so that's a 5-day grow up. I grew up in Goleta going to the Boys and Girls Club. My dad was a coach, and so my first charity event ever, I was 26, and it was for the West Side Girls and Boys Club, for Earl Pointer, who was a coach there for about 20 years. So I have a huge social media presence, from Twitter to Facebook to MySpace. I think it's still around, but that was a big part of it, and just calling up some good people in the community that I know.
Williams.
Yes, ma'am.
How cute are you?
The instruments here are just recently put on by my nephew, Cliff. He did all this high-end stuff that you see right here. We are third potter.
Hey, this is Marie Manville for Block by Block, and we had a great cruise. And we're happy to support and help the Boys and Girls Club of Santa Barbara. Bye-bye till next time.